Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to pay with PayPal on Steam quickly and easily. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the payment without any confusion. Whether you're buying games, DLC, or just adding funds to your account, this guide will make the whole process simple and smooth. Start by opening Steam using either your web browser or the Steam desktop app. Both methods work the same, so just use whatever is more convenient for you. Once Steam loads, log into your account as usual. If you have extra security enabled, such as email confirmation or mobile authentication, complete those steps before moving on so you can access your account without issues. After logging in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your username. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select Account Details. This section is where Steam manages everything related to your profile, purchases, payment methods, and wallet balance. Next, look for the option that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet and click on it. The Steam wallet is basically a prepaid balance that allows you to buy games and other content without entering your payment details every time. It's one of the easiest ways to manage purchases on Steam, especially if you plan to buy multiple items. You will now see different amounts you can add to your wallet. Choose the amount that fits what you want to spend. Be careful here because Steam wallet funds usually cannot be withdrawn back to PayPal later, so only add what you actually need. After selecting your amount, continue to the Payment Options page. Here you will see different payment methods depending on your country or region. Look for PayPal in the list and select it. If PayPal does not appear, it usually means it is not supported in your region or your account currency settings do not allow it. Once you select PayPal, Steam will redirect you to the PayPal login page. Sign in using your PayPal email and password. After logging in, carefully review the payment details, including the amount and currency, and make sure everything is correct before you approve the transaction. If you have multiple payment methods linked to your PayPal account, you may also be able to choose which one to use. After confirming the payment, PayPal will process the transaction and send you back to Steam automatically. If everything goes correctly, you will see a confirmation message and your Steam wallet balance will update almost instantly. You may also receive confirmation emails from both Steam and PayPal showing that the payment was successful. If the balance does not appear right away, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a few minutes to fully process, so refreshing the page usually fixes it. And that's it. Once your Steam wallet is funded, you can use it anytime to buy games, DLC, or other content on Steam without repeating the payment process every time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials just like this one.